Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CAT DILR syllabus 2023, including topic-wise weightage, study material preparation. Let's check the CAT exam pattern 2023. The section 1 verbal ability and reading comprehension consists 24 number of questions with 19 negative marking of MCQs with 5 no negative marking of non-MCQs. Section 2 Data Interpretation and Logical Reasoning consists 20 number of questions with the total MCQs 12 out of 15 negative marking with non-MCQs 8 out of 5 with no negative marking. QA consists 22 number of questions with 14 MCQs negative marking with 8 non-MCQs no negative marking. Let's check the DILR exam pattern 2023. The allotted time will be 40 minutes and consists 20 number of questions. The DILR questions will be 8 to 10. The number of logical reasoning questions will be 8 to 12 questions. The marking scheme is +3 for correct answer, -1 for wrong answer, which consists of 60 marks. The MCQ and non-MCQ types of questions. The difficulty level is moderate to difficult. Let's check the CAT data interpretation syllabus. Table and charts consist comparison of data for various year and ages. Graph bar diagram consists data analysis, comparison of various year, group and classes. Tables, pie charts consists decoding and determining the data of missing period, taking clues and interpreting the missing links. Groups and charts consist data analysis and finding conclusion, making future projections. Let's check the CAT logical reasoning syllabus. Arrangement, rankings, team formation consists sitting arrangement, ranks, type of team formation. Quantitative reasoning puzzles consist arithmetic, geometrical data, puzzles on words, letter, arrangements, sittings. Syllogisms, logical deduction consists question based on statement and arguments. Venn diagram or binary logic consists questions on set theory and network diagrams. Let's check the weightage of important topics in CAT DILR. Tables and charts, graph, bar diagram, tables, pie chart, graph chart, arrangements, rankings, team formation, quantitative reasoning puzzle, syllogism, logical deduction, Venn diagram, binary logic consist a weightage of 12.5. Let's check what are the best books for CAT DILR preparation 2023. How to prepare for data interpretation for CAT by Arun Sharma or MC Graw-Hill. This new comprehensive book by Arun Sharma on data interpretation is aimed at effectively equipping aspirants to answer all possible types of questions that may be asked on this subject. How to prepare for logical reasoning for the CAT by Arun Sharma or MC Graw-Hill. Designed and written by Arun Sharma. How to prepare for logical reasoning for the CAT is a detailed text dedicated exclusively to equipping students to answer all kind of questions that can be asked in CAT on logical reasoning. Logical Reasoning and Data Interpretation for CAT by Nishit K. Sinha, Pearson Education. This book has fundamental and advanced topics of DILR along with examples for a better explanation. The level of preparation in the book are foundation, moderate and advanced. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.